All right, we're now ready for part 3, which is our third rule, the power rule of exponents. So in order to apply the power rule of exponents, you need to have an expression inside parentheses being raised to a power. And then you can simplify that expression by multiplying the exponents together. So you can see we have x to the m in parentheses taken to the nth power up. I also like to call this power to a power. So it's x to the m to the n. And so what you can do is multiply the m and the n, and that becomes your new exponent. So for x to the 5th and then to the 4th, it's really x to the 5 times 4, or x to the 20th. Now another example, I have this same example all written out so we can see why it makes sense. So again, in the parentheses, we have x to the 5th, and I've written that out with 5 green x's, and then that's taken to the 4th power. So I have 4 of those. And we don't really need parentheses after that, so I've taken all of the parentheses away, and we have x to the 20th once we count up all of those x's. Okay, so one more example. This one has 2 different variables. And you can still write it out if you're not sure about it. That's what I would suggest with all of these, is writing them out. But we have x to the 3rd, so that's 3x's being multiplied together, and then y squared, so that's 2y's, and then that's taken to the 6th power. So I've written that expression out 6 times so you can see how many x's there are. And that comes out to 18 because I have 6 sets of 3 x's, so that's 18 x's. And then same with y's, I have 2 y's, but I have those 2 y's 6 different times, so that's 12 y's. So my final answer is x to the 18th, y to the 12th. And at this point, you'll be ready to try question 3 on the quiz. So still the same game code, we're just on question 3, so take a minute to do that.